If you're a startup trying to manage leads and close your first dozen deals, your CRM shouldn't just store contacts. It should guide your next move. Let me show you how Salesforce helps qualify, track, and prioritize leads using built-in lead stages. Here in Salesforce, we're on the Leads tab. Each row represents someone you've engaged, whether it's from a landing page, cold outreach, or a VC intro. But what really makes this powerful is what's behind the lead status field. The drop-down helps your team quickly label where the lead stands. MQL, that's someone who showed interest, maybe downloaded a guide or filled out a form. As SQL, they've taken a meeting or shown intent to buy. Closed, not converted. You've talked, but it's not a fit right now. This structure prevents chaos. It keeps your team focused on real pipeline and not noise. From here, reps can click to send an email, make a call, or update notes, all without leaving the view. And the system updates activity tracking automatically, so leadership has instant insight into what's working. Salesforce gives startup structure, and structure is what gets you to your first million in revenue. Thanks for tuning in. If you found today's tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with someone who could use it. For more insights, tools, and services to take your business to the next level, visit drcedricholmes.com. If you have questions or want to work together, email me at info@drcedricholmes.com or call 818-388-2778. I'm Dr. Cedric Holmes, where strategic leadership meets technology. I'll see you on the next one.